Beauty for Ashes, How My Breaking Point Became My Breakthrough. There was a moment I almost gave up. Not just on the dream, but on me. When everything I built or had been working on for many years came to a halt, I thought it was over. But what I didn't know, that was the moment God began rebuilding me, with beauty I couldn't yet see. I was exhausted. Doing all the right things, but nothing felt right. The relationship was shaky. The job fell through. The vision I had for my life shattered. I cried in secret. Smiled in public. And deep down, I whispered, God, where are you? But ashes aren't just evidence of destruction. They're the beginning of rebirth. I didn't wake up one day healed. I woke up one day deciding to heal. One prayer at a time. One hard truth at a time. God began peeling back my layers. Not to expose me, but to restore me. The pain didn't end, but its purpose grew louder. In the fire, I found my calling. And in the ruins, I discovered who I really was. Now, I get it. Isaiah chapter 61 verse 3, to give them beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning. God didn't take away the fire. He stood with me in it. He turned my weeping into wisdom. And He gave me a voice not just to survive, but to sing to the glory of God. Every time I go to church, this is what I do: sing to the glory of God. my breakthrough wasn't a moment. It was a series of holy rebuilding. If you're standing in the middle of the ashes right now, don't run. Don't numb it. Don't fake your way through. Let him rebuild you. Because the beauty that's coming is more powerful than anything you've lost. What was your breaking point, and what did it teach you? Share below. Someone needs to hear your healing. If this hit your heart, episode 3 is where we talk about, I thought it was over. Until God showed up. Hit subscribe and walk with me to the other side.